Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to offload WordPress media to Google Cloud Storage automatically using Next3 Offload. First things first, let's set up Google Cloud. Open the Google Cloud console and make sure you're working in the correct project. In our case, the project name is ThemeDev. Now go to APIs and Services, open the library, search for Cloud Storage, and confirm that it's enabled. Next, we'll create a service account. Head to IAM and Admin, then Service Accounts, and click Create Service Account. Give it a name. We're using Neuralbin. Continue through the setup and select Role as Storage Admin here. Finish the setup with Continue and then click Done. Now time to create a key. Open the Keys tab, click Add Key, choose Create New Key, select JSON, and download the file. This JSON key is extremely important. Keep it safe and never share it publicly. We'll upload it to WordPress shortly. Next up, the storage bucket. Go to Cloud Storage, Buckets, click Create, and choose a unique name. Ours is Neuralbin. Set the location to multi-region, pick a region like the US, leave everything else as default, and create the bucket. By default, the bucket is private, so let's make it public. Open Permissions, remove Public Access Prevention, and add all users with the Storage Object Viewer role. This allows your images to load publicly. Just don't store anything sensitive here. Alright, now let's move to WordPress. After installing the Next3 Offload plugin, your first step is activation. Simply enter your license key here and click Next to move forward. In this step, you'll be asked to provide your website type and optionally enable services like media offload, image optimization, and database optimization. Then click Next. Here, you'll see the full list of cloud providers supported by Next3 Offload. Choose Google Cloud as the provider. Enter your project ID, ours is ThemeDev. Now upload the JSON key file to wp-content/uploads and paste the full server path here. The plugin only reads keys from this folder, so make sure the path is correct. Select the region, continue, and when you see your bucket, Neuralbin, just select it and finish setup. After that, open Delivery Settings, choose Google Cloud Storage, and save. Now let's test it. Go to Media, then Library, and upload a few images. You'll see they're automatically offloaded to Google Cloud, and you can even remove the local copies if you want. To double-check, head back to Google Cloud, open your bucket, and browse to wp-content/uploads. Your files should be right there, with public URLs that load instantly. And that's it. Your WordPress media is now served directly from Google Cloud Storage. Faster, lighter, and scalable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.